In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your billing information on GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned GitHub user or new to managing your account's finances, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of accessing and updating your payment details with ease. Let's start by navigating to the GitHub dashboard. Once you're there, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You will notice a small icon representing your profile. Go ahead and click that icon. This is your gateway to accessing all your personal account settings. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option labeled Settings. This will lead you to the page where you can customize various aspects of your GitHub account. After you land on the settings page, take a look at the left pane. You will see a series of categories listed vertically. Make sure you locate the section labeled Billing and Licensing. Once you've found it, click on this option. It will expand to reveal more detailed settings related to your account's financial aspects. Now, turn your attention to the options that appear in this section. You're looking for something that says Payment Information. It might be listed as a drop-down item, so ensure you're thorough as you look through the list. When you've found it, click to proceed. You're now on the Payment Information page, which is where we can add or update the details necessary for handling your billing. Here, you'll see fields for information such as your name, address, city, country, zip code, and potentially other details like a GST ID if applicable. It's crucial to fill these out accurately since they ensure your payments are processed correctly and any necessary invoices can be issued with ease. As you fill out this information, take your time and double-check for any typos or incorrect entries. Accurate billing information is essential, especially if you're using GitHub for business purposes or require precise documentation for tax requirements. Once you've carefully entered all the necessary billing details, look towards the bottom of this section for a button labeled Save Billing Information. Before you click it, make sure everything looks correct and is complete. If all is in order, go ahead and click that button to save your changes. And there you have it. Your billing information is now updated in your GitHub account. It's a simple yet essential task to make sure payment procedures run smoothly, preventing any unnecessary disruptions to your account or access to GitHub's premium features. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.